the COVID-19 vaccine is, they take messenger RNA and they make a protein that's like the protein that the virus uses to attack your cells, but it's a defective protein. So the immune system can develop competence and memory against it, but the mRNA is degraded, it's not staying in the body, and yet the immune system can do what it's supposed to do to make antibodies or cells that will fight this infection. Remember that the first time you see an invading organism, microbe, bacteria, virus, the immune system doesn't know what to do with it. It doesn't make a very robust response. But once it sees it and present it to it, the next time when the thing comes along, it can really kill it effectively. So we take pieces of our other vaccines. We take pieces of viruses or bacteria, or we take inactivated ones that they're live, but the killer mechanism, if you will, is out, and we inject those into ourselves, and the immune system makes memory and competence, so when the real thing comes along, it gets knocked out. Now, remember that in our genes, the DNA is transferred to a copy of messenger RNA or mRNA, which then makes protein. This doesn't go the other way here. So there's no chance that this mRNA is going to incorporate into your DNA or get into your body in that kind of way. This makes a protein, and the mRNA is degraded, and that protein allows the immune system to see that protein that looks like the virus's attack protein, spike protein, but there's no harm to the body, but we get the immune system pumped up, ready to circulate around and be looking for the real COVID-19. And this is so important because if we do not have about 70% of our population vaccinated, then we can't get rid of this. We can't eradicate this. And if many people don't vaccinate, then there are people who are infected, there are people around them who are susceptible, who will get sick. Whereas if the majority of people around you are protected, then even if you get sick, you don't transmit. This is a human-to-human transmission, and we won't continue this pandemic.